You have studied English for many years. You learned grammar, vocab and many other things, but now you feel stuck. Well, today I am going to teach you how to actually practice making long sentences in English. First, go ahead and grab an English study notebook and a pen. Alright, are you ready? Well then let's jump right in. The first thing you want to do is to create a page for your categories. Here's the list of 15 categories that you can write down in your notebook. The categories are food, sports, hobbies, love, life, weather, family, friends, work, school, dating, travel, goals, English, and the news. Now, these categories all make up the most common topics that people talk about in English on a regular basis. So knowing good sentences for each category will improve your ability to communicate with others in English. Now let's move on to the next step. After writing down the categories, you will take one at the time and add more details information for each. For our first category we've selected, food. Our simple sentence is, I like ice cream, so we already know two of the W's. First for who, we have, I. Then for what, we have, like ice cream. Next we have to decide to, when, where, and why. For when we've selected in the summer. For where we've selected at home. And for why we have selected it's delicious. So, our sentence becomes, I like eating ice cream in the summer at home because it's delicious. Okay, now what you want to do is to add a page in your notebook for each of the remaining categories. Then you will go through the same steps and make a sentence for each categories. Alright, the next step is to create a large table for information. On this page you will be inserting pieces of information first, and then making sentences from the randomly selected information. So on the top you will write who, when, where, what, and why. Then you will start with the first column that is labeled who. And you will write down multiple people. You can write a person's name, a group of people, or even your own name. Just try to write as many as possible, then move on to the next columns and do the exact same thing. When you are finished you will have a table filled with the building blocks necessary to make your long sentences, which leads us to the last and final step. Make the sentences based on the information in each row. Now it is time for you to make a sentence using these building blocks that are inside in individual rows. Each sentence will include a piece of information for each of the 5 W's. Because you organized them in advance. For example, in row 1 for who we have Michael. For when, we have yesterday. For where, we have New York. For what, we have went biking. And for why, we have, for exercise. So, our sentence becomes, Michael went biking yesterday in New York for exercise. Finally, simply continue doing the same thing for the remaining rows. This is the most effective way to practice making long sentences in English. When you complete these 4 steps, you will have a notebook filled with long sentences that you personally wrote about various topics in English. Now start practicing making your own long sentences. And watch your confidence in English improve immediately. You can do it. You can speak English.
If you liked this video, hit that like button, and be sure to subscribe and hit the bell to get notified every single time I post a video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.